Merry Christmas, everybody! I know it's not Christmas yet, but I thought since it's November 18th, we should do a Christmas makeup look special edition. Now, I don't want to waste any time. I'm doing this from my head, literally no inspiration, no inspo. I didn't practice. I'm doing this full face on and I am ready. So let's get right into this video. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is obviously foundation. This is the MAC Studio Radiant Serum Power Foundation. I've said that so many times, literally, I don't even need to look at it anymore. Okay, I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand. Yeah, the one thing that I like about this foundation or the packaging is definitely this twisty thing. Like, you can't push it anymore, but when you twist it, now you can. I like that. Okay, I'm gonna use a brush this time and just kind of blend it onto here. But yeah, I want the base to be a little bit natural, but I definitely want the main focus to be on the eyeshadow and the lipstick and also blush. Those three main things. Okay, so I'm finished with the blending and now I'm going to go into my favorite part, the blush. I'm using a different blush this time. Normally I would just use this red lipstick or like that kind of Barbie purplish pink one. But I'm going in for the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. That's it, and it's actually very bright, so it makes a really nice blush. And since this is Christmas themed, I want it to be a bit bold. So I'm gonna put it up here. And just the tiniest bit on the nose, because normally like I only do that for kind of the cutesy makeup, but I want this to be a little bit bold and more like powerful. Okay, it's actually blended pretty good. It's not too much, but I think I might add some of the red lipstick. Okay, so I finished blending my blush and honestly this looks great. I love that I added the red lipstick because it added a little bit more blush, and now for me it's perfect, but let me know if this is like the perfect blush that you want. Okay, now we are going to go on to, I would say, probably like the most important part, because the blush is obviously going to be pink. The lips are obviously going to be red, but the eyeshadow is going to be red. It's going to be red and green, which is actually crazy because normally the blues and the greens are the ones that I'm worst at. I need to practice with them because literally I can't make a good makeup look with them. I've made multiple makeup looks in my free time with them, and let me just say, they're not the best thing I've ever done. But I'm going in with a positive aspect because it is nearly Christmas, and yeah. Okay, I'm going to go in with this red. This is probably the only like red. There's like muted pink or something, I don't know. But I'm gonna go in the red, go in with the red, then with the green, and maybe some white. You can barely even see it, but this white glitter, maybe I'll go in with that as well. So right now we're gonna go in with the red. Okay, so I finished applying red on the first eye, and I might use a detail brush to get into the inner corners around here. And before I did a blue eyeshadow makeup, so now it's mixing with the red, and I don't know if it's making purple or something, but here it looks a little bit different from here, so I might just apply both of them again just to make it look equal, because right now this is looking kind of different from here. Okay, so I finished applying it, and honestly it's kind of looking different. I don't really know what's happening, but there's nothing we can do about it. Now I'm going to go in with this very tiny detail brush, and this one is good for applying glitters under your eyes and maybe applying strokes like that. So I'm gonna go in with the same red and go into the inner corners. Okay, so I finished doing that. Now we're going on to the green, the scariest part of the game. Okay, it's not looking too bad. Honestly, the idea might be I will add white glitter in the middle, so it'll be red, white, and green, which is the theme of Christmas. Maybe some other colors like gold as well. But now we are going to go in for the glitter because, like I said before, I think so. What is makeup without glitter? Okay, like the other ones, I finished applying it and honestly, it is pretty good. Now I'm gonna take this small detail brush, and I said gold was in the theme of Christmas, so I'm going to go in with this gold. Okay, maybe this is okay. I don't really know how to do this thing, but honestly, I just do it until it looks good. If it looks good, it is good. Okay, now we are going on to, I think, highlighter, then we'll go to the lips. Now I'm going to go onto the lips. What I'm going to do, I wanted to do a gradient lip, but I'm gonna do it and then see how it looks. Okay, now I'm just applying it all over because why not? Okay, this doesn't look bad, but I feel like, maybe it needs more blush, or maybe this is the way I'm seeing it. Honestly, I kind of like this, but I'm going to rub it out and then apply the lipstick. Then I'll show you as well, but I'm gonna do that off camera. So I'm done with the makeup look. I put my hair down and honestly, this looks great. Maybe in the camera, it looks a little bit bright, but in real life, it looks so good. This is one of my favorite makeup looks. This will be all for me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, Merry Christmas.